Quick challenge. Can you hear the difference between these two words? Right, light. Now say them yourself. Right, light. Did they sound different or exactly the same? If they sounded the same, don't worry. You're not alone. Mixing up the r and l sounds is one of the most common pronunciation mistakes English learners make. It can completely change the meaning of what you're trying to say. The good news? By the end of this lesson, you'll be hearing and saying the difference much more clearly. Let's get started. The r sound is made without your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. Listen carefully. R, r. Repeat after me. R. Great. Now the l sound. For l, the tip of your tongue touches the ridge just behind your upper front teeth. Listen. L. Your turn. L. Excellent. Now let's compare them. Right, light. Road, load. Rice, lice. Glass, grass. Can you hear how changing just one sound changes the entire word? Repeat after me. R, r, r. Now, l, l, l. Fantastic. Now alternate. R, l, r, l. One more time. R, l, r, l. You're doing great. Here's today's challenge. Red lorry, yellow lorry. We'll start slowly. Red, lorry, yellow, lorry. Again. Red, lorry, yellow, lorry. Now, let's speed it up. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Ready? Let's say it 5 times together. Red lorry, yellow lorry. 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 Keep going. That's exactly why tongue twisters work. They train your mouth to switch between difficult sounds more smoothly. I'll say a word. You decide whether it begins with R, R, or L, L. River. That's R. R. Lion. That's L. L. Rabbit. R. Leaf. L. Excellent. Here's a mission for today. Say red lorry, yellow lorry 10 times. Start slowly. Focus on saying every R and every L clearly. Speed will come naturally with practice. Remember, speaking clearly is always better than speaking quickly. Today you've trained one of the trickiest sound pairs in English, R and L. The more you practice, the more natural these sounds will become. In the next lesson, we'll tackle another pronunciation challenge that trips up millions of English learners. The TH sounds in words like think and this. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more pronunciation training, and here's today's challenge. Record yourself saying red lorry, yellow lorry 10 times without mixing up the and l sounds. Then let me know in the comments. How many times did you get it right without making a mistake? Be honest about it now. I'll see you in the next lesson.